Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you how to turn off activity tracking in Gemini AI and delete your history. If you are looking for a private experience or just want to clear your past data, this step-by-step guide will get you started. So let's get started. Open the Gemini app on your smart device and make sure you are logged into your account. By opening the Gemini app on the homepage in the upper right corner of the screen, you can see your profile, which you will click on. Then, on the next page in the drop-down menu, you will look for the option, Gemini Apps Activity, and click on it. The app will open the next page where you can also see your search through the Gemini AI app. In order to turn off or on Gemini Apps Activity, we need to click on the option located on the right side of the screen. Turn off. By clicking on the Turn Off option, a small menu will open where the application will present you with two steps. The first is to just turn it off, and the second is to turn it off and delete the activity. We click on the first one. And now, in order to delete the activity, we need to go down to the Delete option and click on it. The application will also present you with several options here. It is up to you to decide which of these options you want to choose. In this case, we will choose the option, Last Hour, and click on it. And that's it. You have successfully turned off activity tracking and deleted your history in the Gemini AI application. Now you can enjoy a private experience with your settings customized to your preferences. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.